Making lemonade is about theories put forth by a man called Martin Seligman some years ago, Dr. Martin Seligman, and he has written about something called learned optimism. Through his research, he discovered that you don't have to be born an optimist or born a pessimist. You can be somebody who's on a journey to become more optimistic. And the reason you would want to do this and the reason you would want to help children with this is because optimists have happier lives. They're more successful. They're healthier, which is really interesting and really a good reason for anyone to want to become more optimistic. And so what we've done in the book is give some background and focused on adults, and then turned our focus to children and how teachers can help children to learn to use optimistic thinking so that when they face a challenge or a frustration, they don't catastrophize this situation. They're able to look at it and think of a way to solve it and don't see it as the end of the world because their blocks fell down or some such thing. The book also includes materials to share with families because obviously teachers and families are partners, and whatever you do in the classroom has to be shared with what families are doing at home, and collaboration is all important in terms of that, and families will find this very beneficial for supporting their children. And ideally, both the teachers and the families will become more optimistic thinkers themselves. This is something that can be incorporated within the curriculum. You don't need a special curriculum. You don't need an optimism curriculum. Just throughout the day, you can incorporate these activities and an approach to your interactions with children. And the activities that we provided were field tested. The teachers tried them over a period of time and shared the results, and we made modifications accordingly, and we've included their comments on their experiences within the books. It's not a cookbook with recipes for how to turn children into optimists. It's suggestions that we hope would be tailored to the children in the program and to the teacher. The teacher would pick and choose what seems to fit with their class, their curriculum, their routines.